reaching a line legally or illegally. An S90 crossover begins with resistances or supports. An extended resistance or support line is drawn horizontally into the future. The market may return to horizontal line, and at the point of contact a new predictable future is determined. This determination is based on whether the line is breached. This is also where the illegal or legal aspect of level is determined. This figure is an illustration of support line breach. In this figure, market has opened and closed below the support line, turning it into legal S90. This figure is an illustration of illegal breach. Applying Fibonacci levels, the Fibonacci 0.50 area of trading range may offer an S90 crossover support or resistance for the birth of new future entity or target, depending on whether the future contact level is breached legally. If the level is a fib level, then its strength increases. The 5 levels of trading range that have increased sensitivity are 25%, 38%, 50%, 61.8%, and 75% of measured range. Resistance and support levels or S90 crossover birth levels may coincidentally occur at levels which are shown in this figure and also in this figure. If you do not understand how Fibonacci levels are derived, you might remember them better by associating the most common fib levels of trading range with human body, which also offers Fibonacci levels. For example, chest area is 0.382, the waist is 0.50, and knees represent 0.618 level of body, as represented in this figure. Developing the profit targets or entry points of a trading range for S90 crossover. The S90 crossover has levels within trading range that may or may not be associated with Fibonacci levels. Explanation of levels and how they may be interpreted. Although all levels must be considered for targets and reversals, there are certain levels that have more importance than others. For example, in this table, the levels illustrate the number of S90 crossovers that occurred during just one New York Open. Notice that one level is duplicated on different time compressions. The level 1.2809, which is highlighted, is common from the 5-minute time compression through the 4-hour time compression, but it is not recognized on daily or weekly chart. This level is a prime level for reversal, provided that either traditional or modernistic signals are triggered. If signals are triggered towards the level with proper confirmation, then 1.2809 level would be interpreted as possible target. In the market, strikes that level and other confirmations are present for reversal, then that level should generate safety for bounce type trade entry.